Hello everyone, let's make a cookie pie. For that you have to take 100-gram butter and mix it well and whisk it till it become a cream. Then you can add sugar, half cup of sugar, then again mix it well. Then add an egg and mix. And then you can add 1 tablespoon vanilla essence, 1 cup of maida, baking soda and baking powder. Mix all the ingredients and make it a dough. You can add more flour if it's sticky, and then finally you can add the choco chips. Again you can mix it well. Then take a small tin and keep the first mix of cookie mix. Then you can add chocolate. Here I added Nutella. And also you can add nuts powder. Here I added almond, and then you can mix it. Then keep the rust dough and close it. Then you can bake. Before that you can decorate with choco chips again on the above the cookie pie. Then you can bake for 170 degree for 30 minutes, and here you can see. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, share, like and subscribe.